Welcome to our tutorial on crafting digital products. In this journey, we'll explore what digital products are and how you can create them. Digital products are goods or services that are delivered electronically. They can range from eBooks and online courses to software applications and digital art. The beauty of digital products lies in their scalability and accessibility. With the right strategy, you can reach a global audience and generate passive income. Before diving into product creation, it's crucial to identify your target audience and their needs. Who are they? What problems are they facing? Understanding your audience will help you tailor your digital product to meet their specific needs. Conduct market research and surveys, and gather feedback to gain insights into what your audience is looking for. Remember, the key to a successful digital product is solving a problem or fulfilling a need. Once you have a clear understanding of your audience and their needs, it's time to plan your digital product. Start by defining the goals and objectives of your product. What do you want to achieve with it? Next, outline the features and content of your product. Whether it's an ebook, online course, or software application, map out the structure and flow. Break down the content into manageable sections or modules to keep your audience engaged. With your plan in place, it's time to bring your digital product to life. Depending on the type of product you're creating, this could involve writing, designing, coding, or recording. For ebooks and online courses, focus on creating high-quality content that delivers value to your audience. Invest time in editing, formatting, and designing to ensure a polished end product. If you're developing software or digital tools, pay attention to user experience and functionality. Test your product rigorously to identify and fix any bugs or issues before launch. Congratulations! You've created your digital product. Now it's time to launch it into the world. Start by creating a compelling sales page or landing page that highlights the benefits of your product. Utilize various marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, and content marketing to promote your product. Leverage the power of storytelling and testimonials to build credibility and trust with your audience. Don't forget to monitor and analyze your marketing efforts to optimize your strategy and maximize sales. Keep engaging with your audience, gathering feedback, and refining your product to ensure continued success. And there you have it, a brief overview of crafting digital products. Remember, creating a successful digital product takes time, effort, and dedication. But with the right approach, you can turn your ideas into profitable ventures. Good luck!